No way back. Sam Heughan and Catriona Balfe's relationship crumbles. In tears, once celebrated as one of television's most iconic duos, Sam Heughan and Catriona Balfe, the soul of Outlander, now find themselves at the center of a heartbreaking revelation. After years of sharing laughter, fame, and an unbreakable bond, reports claim that their once close relationship has fallen apart, and there may be no way back. The chemistry that once lit up screens across the world, the spark that made millions believe in their story, seems to have dimmed. Behind the red carpets, awards, and smiles, a silent distance has taken root, leaving fans heartbroken and confused. The friendship that made the world believe in magic. When Outlander premiered in 2014, no one expected the explosive emotional connection between Sam and Catriona to redefine the meaning of on-screen romance. As Jamie and Claire Fraser, they built a love story so passionate and genuine that fans across the globe believed it must be real. For almost a decade, they were inseparable. Together, they shared late-night filming sessions in the freezing Scottish Highlands, endless interviews, and red carpet premieres that radiated warmth and admiration. They laughed together, supported each other, and openly praised one another in the press. Sam often called Catriona the heart of Outlander, while Catriona described Sam as my partner in everything. Their friendship was more than professional, it was a connection that transcended fame and time. But as the years passed, something quietly began to change. When the lights faded, shadows appeared following the end of Outlander Season 7, whispers began circulating among fans and the media. The two stars, once known for their easy affection and constant presence together, began to appear separately. They no longer interacted publicly, and social media, once filled with inside jokes and mutual support, fell silent. A source close to the production revealed something shifted. They used to be incredibly close, but now it's as if there's an invisible wall between them. No one knows what really happened, but it feels final. The once unshakable friendship seemed to have fractured under the weight of fame, relentless schedules, and unspoken emotions that perhaps were never truly resolved. Sam, known for his calm and composed demeanor, began to avoid questions about Catriona in interviews. Catriona, now a mother and happily married to Tony McGill, started withdrawing from conversations about her Outlander co-star, fueling speculation that something deeper was broken. The words that shattered hearts. The heartbreaking confirmation came during a recent interview when Sam Heughan was asked directly about his current relationship with Catriona. His answer left both the interviewer and fans in stunned silence. "We had something really special," Sam admitted quietly. "But sometimes, when something breaks, you can't fix it. I'll always respect her, but we're on different paths now." Those few words were enough to send shockwaves through the Outlander fandom. Within hours, fans flooded social media with disbelief, sadness, and nostalgia. One longtime viewer wrote, "It feels like the end of an era. I grew up watching Jamie and Claire's love, and now it's gone, even off screen." Another simply said, "I guess time really changes everything, even the people we thought would never drift apart." The real reason behind the rift. As rumors spread, Hollywood insiders began piecing together the story. Some pointed to creative disagreements on set, others to the emotional exhaustion that comes from being endlessly paired in the public eye. One entertainment analyst explained, "When fans and the media constantly pressure two people to be something they're not, to fall in love, to act like a couple off screen, it creates unrealistic expectations. Eventually, the weight becomes unbearable. Katrina's focus has shifted toward her family life and directing career, while Sam continues to dive into film projects, business ventures, and humanitarian work. Their worlds, once intertwined, now seem to be moving in opposite directions. And while neither has spoken ill of the other, the silence between them says more than words ever could. Tears behind the cameras, those who worked alongside the two on the most recent season of Outlander described an atmosphere of quiet tension. Both stars remained professional, but the warmth that once defined their partnership seemed to have vanished. One crew member recalled, "They were polite, but the closeness was gone. When we filmed their final scene together, there was this heavy sadness in the air. I think they both knew that was goodbye." When filming wrapped, Sam reportedly left immediately for a new project in the US, while Katrina returned home to Europe. For the first time in years, there were no joint interviews, no behind-the-scenes laughter, only silence. A friendship lost, but never forgotten despite the heartbreak. No one can deny the impact Sam and Katrina created together. Their portrayal of Jamie and Claire wasn't just acting, it was an emotional symphony that captivated millions and changed television forever. Even if their friendship has fractured, their legacy remains untouchable. Their journey together gave fans moments of joy, tears, and unforgettable beauty. As one fan poignantly wrote, "Maybe they couldn't stay together forever, but what they gave us will last a lifetime." Sam himself once said during an older interview, "We created something beautiful together. And sometimes, the most beautiful things aren't meant to last forever." Those words now feel prophetic. Conclusion: beauty in the endings in the glittering world of fame, where every smile hides exhaustion and every bond faces scrutiny. Sam Heughan and Katrina Balfe's story stands as both a tragedy and a testament. They were two souls brought together by fate, united by art, and separated by life's unrelenting rhythm. Perhaps there truly is no way back, but that doesn't erase what once was. A connection so genuine that it blurred the line between fiction and reality, even if time and distance have pulled them apart. Fans know that somewhere in the heart of Outlander, their bond still lives, in every look, every embrace, and every word ever spoken between Jamie and Claire. Because sometimes, the most unforgettable love stories aren't the ones that end happily, but the ones that end beautifully.